Bald-headed hoe shit. Bald-headed hoe shit. Get it? Get it? What's up, y'all? It's your girl KDiani, and today is very exciting. Every day is very exciting when it comes to me. Anyways, today I'm doing a get ready with me, and I'm going to be putting on this wig that I highlighted, toned, and everything. I have videos up on how I highlighted and toned the wig, so if you missed out, everything's going to be down in the description box and in the little card up in the corner. So make sure you guys go check that out. So tomorrow is my birthday, and I'm going to make an attempt to put this wig on. Now, I have put on wigs before, but I want this one to lay on my head quite differently. So I'm going to try to put it on the best that I can. Alright, so I already have my hair plaited down and everything. Check me out, because I want this wig to lay like super duper flat. So we're gonna do the ball cap method. So I got me a little stocking cap. This one is in the color auburn, so I don't really know how it's gonna look on my head. It is a little bit dark, not really light. Usually I get like the lighter ones, but hopefully this one's okay. Yeah, I think this one's perfect. So we got our stocking cap on. Alright, so we're gonna use Got To Be spray. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray another layer here, because like I really want this to look as good as possible. So now I'm gonna go ahead and make like a little hole in the ear, because this side always has like a hard time sticking down. So y'all, I'm about to be 22. I'm getting like really old, and oh my god, that's crazy. Like, I was just 19 yesterday, but your girl's about to be 22. And I wanted to keep it like classy this year, so I got my nails done yesterday. This is SNS dip powder. Like, these are my natural nails, and I really want to grow my natural nails out. So I was like, you know what? Let me just get something really simple. No more acrylic or the long nails. Maybe sometimes, but my nails just might be long enough to do it on my own. Okay, honey? But I'm excited, but I don't really want to do nothing extravagant for my birthday except get cute. Alright, so we about to go from a boom to a baddie, baby. Okay, so now, hold on, Lucinda, back up some. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and cut this off. These shears is bootleg. Okay, go on the floor, because you're making me mad. You wanna be like really careful with this stuff? Look at me acting like I'm giving a wig tutorial. Come on now, get off my ear. Like, you really throwing me. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray this with some got to be, because it wanna be like a HOE right now and I'm not with it. So yeah. This is real ghetto. Don't cut just I cut my ear, I'm gonna be mad at myself. Ain't no one else to be mad at but you. Alright, let's put some got to be on here. Okay, so now we're gonna take some foundation, and I'm gonna put a little bit on this beauty blender. Make sure it look like you, and pat it here on this thing. Y'all don't come for me because I'm not a wig slaying professional. Okay, if y'all got some tips or something, y'all could just let a sister know, you know. Y'all let me know. Am I doing something or am I not doing something? Because I'm kind of scared because today I'm going to use glue. I'm going to switch to this powder foundation. Get all up in there though, because yeah, I really, like I said, I really want this to look good. Okay, bald-headed house shit, get it. Now the glue I'm going to be using is the Ghost Bond glue. Oh my god, I'm gonna use glue, kind of nervous. And yeah, so let's see what she looks like so far with this wig cap on. Okay, honey, call her KDiani. When I put it on, I want to place it like right there. And this wig, I've been put this wig on, like, and I cut her because she used to be Brazilian body wave, and you know, she used to fall down like to my mid back, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, so I plucked her some more and I put some highlights in. I don't know if y'all can see it on camera, but I put some highlights in, and yeah. And like, I guess when I first got this wig put on, this was like 2 years ago, when I first got this wig put on, this is how much lace was left over, so I am going to cut more of this lace off. So now that I see where I want my wig to be placed, oh my god, y'all, we about to put wig glue on. Alright, so we're gonna use the end of this comb to like spread it. Oh my god, you can tell I'm nervous, child. And now we're just gonna like lay it down evenly. And I seen to do this like 2-3 times. So you know what? The YouTube wig gods do it 2-3 times. So guess what? I'm gonna do it 2-3 times because I really want this wig to be laid. Okay, and what they say goes, right? Right. And you know, just let it sit till it get clear. That's what they said. So we probably gonna get on Instagram. They don't really use blow dryer. They usually let it sit by itself. So you know what? We're gonna let it sit by itself. And it's already getting clear, y'all. It's already getting clear. So let's get my phone so we can get on Instagram, which y'all should follow me on Instagram, tropical.punch_. Okay, so now she's pretty clear. So let's go ahead and add another layer. And I heard you gotta be quick with this, so let's go ahead and be quick. Let it dry clear. And usually, like, I thought this process would take forever, but it really don't take that long for the glue to get clear. Like, you just gotta give it a couple minutes, and you know, you get on Instagram, you get lost in the sauce, so it's okay. All right, let's do this last layer, and we're gonna make this quick and fast. Let's get it in this corner over here, because you know that's the little struggle area. Boop, 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 boop. Yo, if this wig come out good, come on now, stick. Let's use the end of this stick, cause that stick got stuff on it. And then once it get clear, we're gonna stick that bit. Okay, so first let me make sure, let me get this little bit of glue that's on my finger off. Let's make sure that the wig is positioned properly, because that's all we need, is because we're doing this together, okay? So that's all we need is for this wig to be, oh shoot, to be placed on incorrectly. Okay? Okay. So we gotta make, oh my god, we gotta make sure this go do like that. So once it's on, it's on. All right, so I think it's clear enough for us to go ahead and place it on there. So like I said, let me get close. Like I want it right here. Let's lay this side down first. And I'm just gonna like brush it. And press down this side. I just might have to cut these ear tabs some. Oh my gosh, y'all, she is on. And I look like somebody's grandma, okay? Alright, so let's go ahead and cut this lace, because I'm ready to cut her. I had a little razor thing, but it broke and I should have bought one, but I didn't. And then now we're gonna take out the baby hairs and mold it down. Alright y'all, so I finally finished. It took me roughly like 2 hours to actually finish. It didn't feel like 2 hours, but it took me 2 hours to finish. And I like the way it came out. I feel like it's really cute and I'm ready to go. I feel like I can get better with installing wigs, but I don't know, because I don't really put wigs on like that. Only the synthetic ones. But as far as like using glue to lay it down, this is my first time doing that, and I'm kind of impressed with how well I did for my first time. And yeah, I really do love it though. So if you guys like the results, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, don't forget to share the video, and most of all, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification bell so that you're notified when I upload a new video. Until next time, muchos besitos.